Hey again, so one more how-to as promised. This is for the home page. Um, First off, this home page was already set up, so this takes away one of the steps that I was going to show you. This makes it super easy peasy. So to edit your home page, of course, you have to go in, click edit, put in your course description, and I have that here. Control C and Control V. Take that out. And I'm going to center, which you don't have to center. You can set it up however you want. Add a picture. So I already found a picture for my other psychology course. I have two sets this go around, so I'm just going to use the same one. Oh, this might be a good one to use actually. This one, I didn't see this one before. Let's see what this one looks like up close. Yeah, so we'll leave that one. I think that one will be fine. That one's pretty funny. Maybe they'll get a kick out of that one and find that one interesting. And then, of course, click Save. And that will show you your homepage. But if you were not to have a homepage, let me show you what to do there. All right, in this left-hand corner, you see where it says Pages. Click Pages. All right, you have already got this page here, so go to View All Pages. If you wanted to create a new page, just click Plus Page. And you could add one this way, or go to Home, choose Home Page. This one is already assigned, so this is assigning your page. You have to create your page first, but then to change it, it brings you back to that page. See how this one is assigned front page? You could remove or you could use as front page. So you would have to set it as your front page to make it your home page. Let me go back home. So if there was not a page here when you first got access to your course, go to Pages in the left-hand corner, create your page first, then come back to Home and choose your home page that you created. Remember, you have to set that home page that you created as your front page to choose it as your home page. All right, so that is how you do that in terms of setting up your home page. Like I said, one step has already been taken out. Somebody has gone in, either Stephanie or Aaron or whoever has gone in and actually created the homepage for you. You just have to go in and tweak it and make it your own. So what I do is give a course description and then add a picture. You can go in and say, welcome to, Miss Moxley's Psychology 9 weeks course, or I have it also as a semester course. You could, however you want to do it. It's your homepage, it's your course. So I just wanted to show you how to do that in terms of setting up your homepage. If you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to let me know.